Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to remotely start the engine in your Nissan Sentra using the key fob. Make sure that all windows and doors are closed, then we'll need to lock the vehicle by pressing the lock button, and then within 5 seconds press this upper button with a circle. And as you can see guys, the vehicle starts. It will work for about 10 minutes and then it will turn off automatically, and you can do one more cycle like that. Start it again. This feature is useful in winter when you want to warm up the vehicle, or in summer when you want to cool it down. The vehicle is still locked, and I would like to point out again that in order for this function to work properly, you need to close all the windows before you start it. To turn it off, simply press this upper button again. The operational distance of the remote start is about 200 feet or 60 meters. And one more thing, if the remote start stops working after a few attempts, it can happen. You need to reset it by driving the vehicle.